Welcome to my channel. Today we're making some banana bread. Alright, this is banana, almond, cream cheese bread. Okay, so let me show you. This is the almond, 1 cup of almond. I have 1 cup of evaporated milk. I've 3/4 the sugar because the banana is already sweet and I don't like too much of a sugar. I have 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. I have 3 eggs. I have the mixed spices, which is the cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove powder mixed here. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. All right, and I have some mixed essence and the cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, and the banana. I will be using 3 bananas, and as I said before, the banana already have some sort of a sugar in it, and now it's up to you if you like a lot of sweet. I don't, so I'm not going to be using too much of the sweet into this thing today. So what I'm going to do is peel the banana and mash it, so stay tuned. So this is banana, mashing it. I'm going to bust 1 egg. Stay tuned. So add the egg. There's 2 eggs. The mixed spices, salt, mixed essence, the baking powder, I'm gonna mix it all up. Sugar now. And it's half and half of the sugar I used, the white and the brown. I'm going to transfer this over to a bigger bowl, so stay tuned. So I'm going to add the flour now. And the almond flour. And I'm using this whisk. I'm going to add a little bit of the milk. As you guys know that I'm holding the camera in my hand and try to mix, so that is the reason why you're not able to see me doing everything. So stay tuned. This is the pan that I'm going to be using, and this is the mixture. All right, see? So it's in the pan now. So what I'm going to do is mix the cream cheese separate. So this is 2 ounces of the cream cheese I have here. I have 1 egg yolk. Alright, I'm gonna add just a little pinch of the vanilla and a tablespoon of sugar. This is sweetened, and I'm going to add a little milk. Whoops. I wanted to get to this. So this is it. This is supposed to be thick, but I add too much of the milk, but I'm still gonna add it to the all right. So the oven hot now. I'm gonna put it in the oven. All right, stay tuned. So here we go into the oven. For 145 minutes to hour. All right. Oops. So this is it. I'm gonna take it out and leave it to cool, and then I'm gonna cut it to let you guys see. Yeah. Wow, look at it. I like the color that it get. Yeah, sometimes you gotta leave this thing a little bit longer than time. So I bake it for like 1 hour and 5 minutes so that it could get a color. I want it to cook inside properly. Alright, so stay tuned for when I'm cutting it. This is it what it looked like when it finished. Okay. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, this is banana bread, right? Half and half, we call it. Half almond nut, half all-purpose flour, banana, and cream cheese. Try it, guys. I will be listing the ingredients in the description bar down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.